Guys, as you can see, guys, I'm not happy. As you can hear my voice, I'm not even happy at all. I'm at Just Forex support. I'm trying to talk to these guys. They're not giving me. I'm not even satisfied with their answer, with their explanation. So, guys, today I entered a trade. I deposited my account with 1,200. I entered the trade, guys, on USA 500. So, guys, USA 500 just like Nasdaq. They move very, 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 very fast. They are very, very volatile. So, guys, I entered the trade, guys. Let me click here. This is the screenshot which they requested, and I sent them. I entered the trade, guys, and I was running at 7,500 profit, as you can see. And you know what they did, these people? Just for example, I don't want to make any judgment right now. Maybe it's a mistake, I don't know. But they removed a zero, guys. I understanding. I was running on 7,500 profit. They removed a zero, and it was 552. Man, that's madness. That's madness, guys. I can't even believe that Just Forex is doing these things to people. So then I contacted them. I was very, very, very angry. I contacted them, and they said that they wanted proof. And then I sent them those screenshots. Let me use my R. I sent them these screenshots. I don't want this video to be too long, and see what is he doing. Let me just read you the response. You guys, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not even able to breathe, guys. How can you do something like this to people? Of which I've been recommending this broker to everybody. Huh? You guys, yeah, I do apologize. I do appreciate your patience, and I will continue to dig as far as I can see what we can do for this. And I was like, okay, I'll be waiting and see here what is he saying. What I can do is have this question answered through the department in charge. Colin, would you mind holding for just a few minutes? I was like, yeah, pretty damn good. I'll wait. That's right. So if you see this long message telling you the client agreement or something, bullshit something, just to see, just to know that the broker is about to close you. Just to know that the broker is doing his thing to close you. Guys, to tell the truth, guys, I'm not happy. So I was asking them here, I'll be waiting, but guys, you must not do that, removing zero like that. I was just telling them that removing zeros from running profits, it's not a good thing from a trusted broker like you. And it was like, in order to investigate your issue and give you the solution, please create your claim correctly in accordance with the client agreement 4.9.4.3. The claim shall specify your name, your surname, your trading account number, blah, 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 blah. And they gave me this email address. So, guys, to tell the truth, guys, I was pissed, and I'm really, really pissed. There are even 4 messages. I'll read them with you guys. It's live. I'm not joking. It's live, guys. And they say that, so what will happen? So I was asking them, so what will happen to this running trade? Should I close it with a zero remove? And this guy, I'm not sure his name. I'm not even able to pronounce his name. It's Panga or something like that. Panga or something like that. Maybe it's Panga. And Panga said, if you close the order, it will be closed according to the correct current price recommended to the desktop or web version. You see, are you hearing what they're trying to say? They're trying to say it's my problem because I was using the empty version. I understand. The empty mobile version. I was using MetaTrader mobile version. And it's for me, like, I want him to fully explain on this, what he's trying to say, recommended desktop and web version. I wanted him to explain on that particular, what he's trying to say here. And I was like, you didn't understand my question. I said my running trade is in profit, and it was in 7,000 profit, and a zero was removed, and it's now on 700, and you want me to close with 700. How will they adjust? That's what I wanted to say here. Because the process you are telling me to do, it's a long process, you see. How will they adjust if I close the trade? So I wanted to understand, So I was like, can they just fix it now? Put my zero back, and I'll close with 7,000 profit. and hear what he said. As we check, we had some cases before, and he said that as we check, we had some cases before. This is the problem with the empty version, with the mobile empty versions. It can freeze sometime. It depends with the phone and the internet connection. Guys, he's saying that the empty version can freeze. Man, mine is not freezing. The numbers they are running, they are fluctuating. So it's not, if something freezes, it will not move anything. You know, I understand. You guys are you getting me? If something freezes, it will not move. It will be on the same numbers. But these numbers will fluctuating. You know, we're fluctuating from 7,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, 7,000, and they just removed the zero and it was like 700, 500, 700, 500. Man, I can't even believe it. And they say that for this moment, you can kindly submit a request at this Doge email address. And you guys, I was really pissed off. It was like, to tell the truth, I'm not satisfied with your explanation. I was telling him or her the truth, saying that the phone's internet can remove a zero. If I submit a request, how long will they get back to me? You know, like mobile empty version can freeze sometime. Likely it was the case. For checking issues, it may take 3 to 4 working days depending on how difficult. Man. How can I wait for 5 working days waiting for them to resolve my issue? And I was telling them, come on guys, this is really bad. To tell the truth, it's ugly. How can I even trust you? And here was like, hear what Panga said. I mean, if I'm correcting your name properly, Panga from Just Forex. And he said, it depends, and it's not depend on our side. It's from empty system. You can check the chart of trading instruments. There is not any manipulation from our side. So he's trying to say the manipulation is not from Just Forex, but it's from empty platform. Meta platform is ripping people's off. That's what he's trying to say. The market, the empty platform. The platform, I'm trying to understand, guys. He's saying that the platform is the one who is ripping me off, just removing a zero. Guys. And he was like, is there anything I can help you? I was like, no, but I'm not happy at all. If I was like, of which you guys, I was telling them I've got a YouTube. Of which is true, I've got a YouTube. And even if you see my videos, even if you go on playlist, there is a playlist called Just Forex. It's meant for Just Forex. You guys have been praising you. You guys, the way you've been handling my accounts, the way you've been handling my funds. You guys, you're pretty damn good. But what you did today is unacceptable. You know, it's unacceptable. It's unacceptable. And you say that you can use desktop or web platforms in order to avoid such issues. So they are blaming the MT4 platform, the MT4 or MT5 platform. As you can see here, there are 4 new messages. Yeah, I'm going to read them with you guys. And I was like, guys, thank you, but it's not a good thing though. And then after that, I have sent an email to compliance, something like that. And then I send it an email. I'll show it to you guys. And as you said, I don't know what happened here. I think this guy just gave another dude called Odin. You know, like and maybe he was like, man. Pangana was like, come on, Odin, can you please come and handle this guy? You know, they're just like, pushing me over, you know. Go to this one, go to this one, go to this one, man, throwing me to different Just Forex members. I understanding what's happening behind the scenes, you know. They're giving me from one person to another. It was like hello calling. And very pleased to meet you, blah 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 blah. And I was like, how can I help you? I was like, man, I was talking to Panga. And he left the chat. I think so. Just Forex just removed a zero from my running profits. And I was like, do you want me to call? He was like, do you want me to call him back? I didn't even reply that one. And I can't even imagine that. I'm still in shock. I trusted you guys, but why? It's like they usually take one day to reply the email. And I was like, so what will happen next? As you said, this issue happened before. So I wanted to hear what this Odin will say. They will explain what happened on the market. So these guys, they are not blaming themselves, they are blaming the market. It's okay, it's fine. they will put is so me I was asking, would they put my zero back on my closed profits? Because I don't need any explanation. I just want my zero back. That's true. Me, I don't need any explanation. Because last time when I checked that trade, I was, even though they removed the zero, it moved from $500 up to something like 2,000 again, you know. So they are supposed to put that zero back so that it will be something like 20,000. So you guys, we must not play with people's money like that. The market is moving, guys. Yeah? As you know, if you are trading with the bulletproof strategy, you never go wrong. And it was like, they'll take action if there is any wrongdoing, same. I was like, okay. It was like, so only in case if there is any issue from our side. So me, I was asking them, so if there is not from your side, it will be from which side? Who will be having the problem? So this guy was like, if the issue is not from on our side, they will explain what seems the issue. So me was like, your friend, I was like saying that panga or something. Your friend said it once happened before. So can you tell me what happened to those customers who complained or something? Did Just Forex restore or gave their zeros on their profits? I can't give any explanation more. Say only in case if there any issue from our side, and in case that the price was on the chart, it's better to wait for the reply email or some for their reply email. Let me know if there are. It's okay. Let me just say it's okay. It's fine. I'm leaving the chat. So guys, let me pause this long video, and I'll show you the running trade. As you can see, guys, this is the running trade. I entered here, and the market was somewhere here, the trade was somewhere here on the arrow when it was 7,000, and they are still removing that zero. The zero is still removed. It was somewhere here, and as you can see, guys, I don't do demo. This is a live account, and right now the market, I think it's something like it. So it was somewhere here when it was 7,000, and then they removed the zero. It came back to 700. So it moved on 700. It moved on 700 like that. It moved on 700, and right now here it was something like 800 and then 1,000. Right now I think it's on 1,000 something. But the broker is ripping me off. It's not giving me what I deserve. You know, I was supposed to be something like it 18,000. You know, I was supposed to be at 18,000. But yeah, as you can see here, this is my take profit. Let me put on 30-minute chart. This is my take profit. Yeah, guys, I wanted to tell you this, guys. Don't trade US 500, guys. It's very, very, very risky. Don't do this at home. Don't try this at home. It's very, very, very risky. You can lose the whole of account. Only Mr. Mbada and the bulletproof strategy can do that. It's very, very, very risky. Let me show you the running trade right now. Yeah, guys, so this is the running trade. As I was telling you, I deposited 1,200, and right now I'm on 1,700. Yeah, guys, even if they remove the zero, guys, even if the broker is not giving me what I deserve, if you are trading with the bulletproof strategy, you never go wrong. Trust me. Yeah, it is what it is. Even if they remove the zero, we are still milking the market. We are still destroying the market. So, guys, yeah, I was supposed to be on 18,000. That's how these things move, man. And this, if you are trading US 30 or US 500, you guys don't trade this at home. Don't even try it if you don't have the bulletproof strategy. Don't even try it, guys. Because if the market just moves slightly against you, your account is done. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm about to close this profit. I'm just waiting for it to just reach 2,000, which is supposed to be my 20,000. It was supposed to be my 20,000 profit. But yeah, let me just close it at 2,000. That's the target. Yeah, and I will get back to you guys. It is what it is.